my audience members.
Alright. How many of y'all actually upgrade your computer? How many of y'all actually go through the settings and look how often it's time to upgrade your computer? Now let me ask you this. How often do you change the parts in your PC? Or how often should you? You know? Alright. Well, a common problem that we run into as system administrator is people not knowing when to get the proper tools that they need to upgrade their computer, whether it be for protection, speed performance, or it being cheaper. You will spend a whole lot less money trying to upgrade your computer with parts instead of buying a brand new computer. And that's a common problem of people nowadays. They're buying a computer that they don't need because their old computer is slowing down when they simply just upgrade the parts that they need for the computer. First of all, the reason why you should upgrade your computer every 2 years is for protection. I know with Windows, they have a software update, a big software update every 2 years. For example, from Windows 7 to Windows 10, it was 2 years gap. They threw in Windows 8 during one week or last year, but it wasn't stable. So they used Windows 10 as a Windows 8 as the base kind of. But they showed the protection on how secure your stuff is, and your because you know when you use internet and anything that is internet service provider, you have to go through, or when you're paying like a bill, say, you have to put your information on a computer or you have to put your information on the internet. And the only best way to have a secure line for it to come back and forth without anybody like hackers getting into it is having the up to date security. Whether that being Windows Defender being up to date or a antivirus software being up to date as well. When it comes to upgrading, it's really important for you to understand how important it is for protection. Protection is the number one thing that system administrators have to worry about when it comes to upgrading. It also helps your speed performance. I know people run into problems where the computers run too slow or they feel like the computer's old, so it's time to buy a new one. They spend like $500 on a brand new computer. When simply it's just a few things that they need to upgrade inside of the computer in order for it to run better. For example, when you have a big Microsoft Windows computer with the with the towers, like a big industrial size computer, you'll run into problems where your video is kind of behind and your computer's moving slow. Well, simply the simplest way to determine what's needed to be is through Windows Index, which is in your control panel. Um, for example, you can simply just changing out your memory unit, your graphics card, your sound card, and all that can tremendously improve your speed of your computer and the quality of the stuff that you're trying to get out of your computer. And when it comes to speed performance, I know people want to have a top performance, but when it comes to internet surfing, you can simply put in a wireless adapter in your computer and you have internet over wireless, which is also very secure through your internet service provider. And the last reason why you should upgrade your computer every 2 years is cost efficient. You will spend less money on parts trying to upgrade your computer than you will spend on money trying to upgrade your computer or buying a brand new computer. You'll spend $500 on a brand new computer that just came out with all the features that your old computer has, when you can simply spend the max of $100 trying to upgrade your computer now by simply just putting the cooling fan in or CPU fan or whatever you need to, what you think will help you speed up the process. And these are the simplest ways that you can really upgrade your computer's performance and help it go faster and help it build its lifetime over time. And so the sources I got this stuff from is from Adam Bench's How Often Do You Need to Upgrade Your Computer from on lifehacker.com / How Often Do You Need to Upgrade Your Computer. And the second one was from Don Risinger. He says why and how you should upgrade your computer. In his article, he explains why Microsoft does what it does when it comes to upgrading computers and why 2 years. And the website for that is www.safebee.com/why and how should you upgrade your computer. And the third one I got my source from Mike Hunt. Says how often should you upgrade? How often should I update my computer with the best software? And that was on blog.com/dinosystem.com.